We are discussing characteristics of normal sinus rhythm. In previous video we saw, if rhythm is normal sinus rhythm, it has following characteristics. 1. Heart rate will be normal, that is between 60 to 100 beat per minute. 2. Rhythm will be regular, if the RR interval is constant we can assume the rhythm is regular. 3. Impulses start from SA node. We have already discussed what we see on ECG, when impulses originates from SA node and follows normal conduction system. When SA node generates impulses and current travels through atria pumps, and we see P wave on ECG, right? 4. P wave will be normal in size, shape and axis. Let's discuss this fourth point today. P wave is first positive deflection on ECG. It represents atrial depolarization. We discussed this already. And we know what is positive deflection, and how we see it on ECG. Now let's see duration, and height that is amplitude, of normal P wave. Duration of normal P wave is less than 0.12 second. One small square of ECG paper is of 0.04 second duration, so 3 small squares will be of 0.12 seconds. That means normal P wave duration is less than 3 small squares, right? Now amplitude or height of P wave is less than 2.5 mm in limb leads, and less than 1.5 mm in precordial leads. It is monophasic in lead 2, and biphasic in V1. It is upright in 1 and 2 and inverted in AVR. Normal axis of P wave is 0 to 75 degree. Let's revise this quickly. One of the requirements of normal sinus rhythm is normal P wave. Normal P wave is the first positive deflection on ECG. It is normally round in shape. It is monophasic in lead 2 and biphasic in lead V1. It is upright in 1 and 2 and inverted in AVR. Its normal length or duration is less than 0.12 second, that means less than 3 small squares. Its height or amplitude is less than 2.5 mm in limb leads, and less than 1.5 mm in precordial leads. Its axis is 0 to positive 75 degree normally. Next requirement for normal sinus rhythm is normal PR interval. PR interval is the time between atrial depolarization and ventricular depolarization. It is the time from the onset of P wave to the start of the QRS complex. Normal PR interval is between 0.12 to 0.20 seconds, that is 3 to 5 small squares. As you know, length of P wave is less than 3 small squares. PR interval is between 3 to 5 small squares. If PR interval is more than 0.20 seconds, that is more than 5 small squares, first-degree heart block is said to be present. In second-degree heart block, PR interval prolongs with each successive beat until a QRS complex is dropped. It is also called as Mobitz type 1 heart block. In Mobitz type 2 heart block there is no prolongation of PR interval, but intermittent non-conducted P waves are present. That means P wave not followed by QRS complex intermittently. In third-degree heart block there is AV dissociation. PR interval less than 0.12 seconds, that is 3 small squares, suggests pre-excitation organ AV nodal junctional rhythm. So for normal sinus rhythm, normal PR interval is essential, which is between 0.12 to 0.20 seconds, that is 3 to 5 small squares. We will continue characteristics of normal sinus rhythm in next video. If you are enjoying these videos, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thanks.